Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. Just like eating, drinking, and breathing, sleep is essential for survival. During sleep, our bodies and minds undergo vital processes of restoration and rejuvenation. One of the most critical periods of sleep is the first 90 minutes. This is when we experience the deepest sleep, and it is during this time that our bodies release a surge of growth hormone. This initial burst of growth hormone is crucial for a variety of bodily functions. It promotes cell repair and growth, strengthens the immune system, and helps to regulate metabolism. In children and adolescents, growth hormone is essential for physical development. In adults, it plays a vital role in maintaining bone density, muscle mass, and overall health. The first 90 minutes of sleep are a critical window of opportunity for our bodies to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. By understanding the importance of this time and taking steps to optimize our sleep, we can harness the power of deep sleep to enhance our health and well-being. Growth hormone, often abbreviated as GH, is a protein hormone produced by the pituitary gland. This small gland, located at the base of the brain, plays a significant role in regulating various bodily functions. GH is often referred to as the fountain of youth hormone due to its wide-ranging effects on growth and metabolism. GH promotes the growth and development of tissues throughout the body. It stimulates cell production, particularly in muscle and bone, contributing to increased muscle mass and bone density. Beyond its role in growth, GH also plays a crucial role in metabolism. It regulates how our bodies use and store energy, influencing fat breakdown, protein synthesis, and blood sugar levels. Understanding the function of GH is key to appreciating the importance of deep sleep. During the first 90 minutes of sleep, our bodies release a surge of GH, maximizing its beneficial effects on our growth, development, and overall health. Sleep is not a uniform state. It is a dynamic process that cycles through different stages. The first 90 minutes of sleep are particularly crucial as they encompass the deepest stages of sleep, known as slow-wave sleep. It is during this deep sleep phase that the pituitary gland releases the majority of our daily growth hormone. This surge in GH during slow-wave sleep is no coincidence. The deep sleep stage is characterized by a decrease in body temperature, heart rate, and breathing rate. This state of physiological calmness creates an optimal environment for GH secretion. The brain's activity also slows down during slow-wave sleep, allowing the body to focus its energy on repair and restoration, processes that are heavily reliant on GH. The relationship between sleep and growth hormone is a delicate symphony. Disruptions to sleep, particularly during the crucial first 90 minutes, can significantly impact GH release, potentially affecting growth, development, and overall health. Growth hormone plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being throughout life. In children and adolescents, GH is crucial for physical growth and development. It promotes bone elongation and muscle growth, contributing to a child's increasing height and strength. Beyond its role in childhood growth, GH continues to be essential in adulthood. It helps to maintain bone density, preventing osteoporosis and fractures. GH also supports muscle mass and strength, important factors for maintaining mobility and independence as we age. Furthermore, GH benefits metabolism by regulating blood sugar levels, improving body composition, and supporting heart health. The benefits of GH extend beyond physical health. Studies have shown that adequate GH levels are associated with improved cognitive function, mood regulation, and wound healing. Section 5. Age and growth hormone production. Growth hormone production follows a predictable pattern throughout our lifespan. It peaks during puberty, a time of rapid growth and development. After reaching its peak, growth hormone secretion gradually declines with age. This decline begins in our 20s and continues throughout adulthood. While this decline is a natural part of aging, certain factors can influence the rate and extent of growth hormone reduction. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep, can help to preserve growth hormone levels as we age. The decline in growth hormone production is one of the contributing factors to age-related changes in body composition, metabolism, and overall health. However, by adopting healthy habits, we can mitigate the effects of this natural decline and support our body's continued production of this essential hormone. Section 6. Exercise and growth hormone. Exercise is not just beneficial for physical fitness. It also plays a significant role in stimulating growth hormone production. Engaging in regular physical activity, particularly high-intensity exercise, can trigger the release of growth hormone from the pituitary gland. Studies have shown that intense exercise, such as weight training and interval training, is particularly effective in boosting growth hormone levels. These forms of exercise challenge the body, leading to microscopic tears in muscle fibers. The body responds to this stress by releasing growth hormone, which helps to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, making them stronger and larger. Incorporating regular exercise, especially high-intensity workouts, into your routine can be a powerful strategy to naturally increase growth hormone levels, promoting muscle growth, fat loss, and other health benefits. Section 7. Nutrition's role in growth hormone release. The food we consume plays a crucial role in influencing growth hormone secretion. A balanced diet, rich in protein and complex carbohydrates, provides the building blocks necessary for GH production and its effects on the body. Protein, in particular, is essential for GH release. Consuming adequate amounts of protein, especially after exercise, provides the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth, processes that are stimulated by GH. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, provide sustained energy and prevent blood sugar spikes, creating a hormonal environment that supports GH secretion. Conversely, diets high in sugar and processed foods can negatively impact GH levels. These foods can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that disrupts hormonal balance and hinders GH release. Section 8. Stress, the silent inhibitor. While sleep, exercise, and nutrition are crucial for optimizing growth hormone production, stress can act as a silent inhibitor. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that plays a crucial role in our stress response. However, chronically elevated cortisol levels can interfere with GH secretion. Chronic stress can disrupt the delicate hormonal balance in our bodies, leading to a decrease in GH production. This reduction in GH can have a ripple effect on various bodily functions, including growth, metabolism, and immune function. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining optimal GH levels. Engaging in stress-reducing activities, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, can help to lower cortisol levels and create an environment that supports GH secretion. Section 9. Optimizing sleep for maximum growth. Given the crucial role of the first 90 minutes of sleep in growth hormone release, prioritizing sleep quality and duration is essential. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment can significantly improve sleep quality and maximize GH secretion. Consistency is key when it comes to sleep. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends, helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, promoting more restful sleep. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music, can help to signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Your sleep environment also plays a crucial role in sleep quality. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows to create an optimal sleep sanctuary. Section 10. Sweet dreams, strong body. The first 90 minutes of sleep are a powerful window of opportunity for our bodies to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. It is during this crucial time that our bodies release a surge of growth hormone, a vital hormone that plays a significant role in growth, development, and overall health throughout our lifespan. By understanding the importance of sleep, particularly the first 90 minutes, and by taking steps to optimize our sleep habits, we can harness the power of deep sleep and maximize growth hormone secretion. Prioritizing sleep is not a luxury, it is an investment in our health and well-being. So tonight, make a commitment to prioritize your sleep. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for